How to make your next camping trip one to remember. Camping is an activity that can be enjoyed by the entire family. Whether you're taking a family trip, or heading out to the wilderness with some close friends, camping can bond you to your loved ones like nothing else. However, there are many things to consider before venturing out on your next camping trip. Leave no trace of your outing at your campsite, for environmental reasons and as a courtesy to park officials who clean up and the next camping crew. Make sure all trash is picked up, you refill holes you may have dug, and of course, that your campfire is completely out. When you decide to go camping, you want to make sure that you bring a flashlight with some batteries. You want to be able to see in the middle of the night just in case you have to get up and go to the bathroom, or just to move around. Let your loved ones help you pick a campsite. Talk about which state to go to. There are so many options around the US that it can actually be difficult to pick one. If necessary, select a few locations yourself, then let the family decide among your choices. Keep the needs of your family in mind before selecting a destination. For example, if you have a baby or toddler, it may be best to stick close to home in case things don't go as planned. If you have teenagers, however, you may enjoy traveling to a different state. Choose what is best for you. As you now know, camping, while lots of fun, does require quite a bit of know-how and preparation. Make sure that you are prepared for anything that may be thrown your way. Implement the tips you have just read in this video. Using these tips is a great way to ensure you have an enjoyable trip. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.